the difference between Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow and the Bryan Kohberger case? Let me show you, because this is going to blow your ever-loving mind.
Nope.
If you've never seen anything like this, and a lot of people are saying this is a psyop, this is unbelievable, this whole story is fabricated, there's so much misinformation. Well, I'm here to show you the facts. That does not make sense. Let's get into it.
Do it.
So since this is all public information, you can go to iCourt for Idaho in Canyon County, and you can search the repository for these cases. And here's the Lori Vallow case. You can see clearly, you can click on all the charges. You can see what those specific charges are, the date, the prosecutor, their attorneys, what they were charged with, evidence and conspiracy. You can go down individually and look at all these charges. We can go and we can research Chad Daybell, which of course that's what I did. So then I wanted to see what his charges were specifically and what counties and all that good stuff. So of course it takes some time to load, and I did look at his file. It's there for you to verify. Now, I went and I looked at Bryan Kohberger's record, and this is what I found. One record for an infraction. So where's his unaliving charges?
Okay, this is not some big conspiracy, Phoenix. What Idaho does is when there's cases that a lot of people are looking at and they want to see the actual documents that have been made public, they put it on this cases of interest webpage on their main judicial branch page and not on the iCourt doc. Now, once the case is closed, then they move it over to the iCourt doc. So once Kohberger's sentencing is done, that will be getting moved over to iCourt and will no longer be on this main page. Now, if you notice, Lori Daybell is on this page because of her appeal. So her appeal documents are on the cases of interest page. So if you look here at the iCourt portal for Lori, you will not see any of the appeal documentation on here. This was only the original court case, and when it got split and put into the other county after change of venue. So I used Wayback Machine just so that you could see back in 2020 when Lori's original criminal case charges before the appeal were on that Idaho Cases of Interest webpage. And then you can see later that year, so in December, not only were Lori's on here, but Chad's were also added to this page, because that's once their cases got split and moved over to Fremont County. But what you'll notice as of today on the Idaho Cases of Interest page is it's just her appeal, and then Kohberger's case, and then that other state case against Raul Labrador. You can see right here, this is only Lori's appeal stuff. None of her other case information. That's all been moved to iCourt. Okay, and here, of course, is all of Kohberger's that's currently on the Cases of Interest page. Now, like I say, once the sentencing happens and the case is officially closed, it will be removed from this Idaho Judicial Branch page, from the Cases of Interest page, and all of the information will be moved to the iCourt page, and you will no longer be able to click on any of the documents and actually look at them anymore, just like with Vallow's case and Daybell's case.